So here we have our little sample blanket with our Tunisian honeycomb stitch and a row of half double crochets around the edge with 3 half double crochets in each corner stitch. Now we're going to put the last row on, and it's a row of picket stitches separated by 3 single crochets. So I've slip stitched into the first half double crochet to finish out my last round. I'm going to chain 1, and then I am going to single crochet in the 3 times. Let's see, we're going to single crochet 1 time in that same stitch, and then we're going to single crochet 3 times in the corner stitch. That's to help it lay nice when we lay it down, so our corners don't curl up. Then what we will want to do is work 3 single crochets every time we get to a corner stitch. And what we're doing is we're putting the 3 single crochets in the second half double crochet of the 3 half double crochets in each corner. So that would be in the middle half double crochet is where we'll put our 3 single crochets. So that's why we single crocheted in the first half double crochet. We put 3 single crochets in the next half double crochet. So we're going to single crochet 1 more time, and then we're going to work a picket. So you single crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, I want to do them 2 loose, and then we're going to slip stitch into the 3rd chain of the 3 chains that we just made. And I like to use that back bump. So in the back bump of the first chain that you made, you're going to insert your hook, yarn over and pull some yarn up, and then pull it through the loop on your hook. And that's your picket made. Then we're going to work 3 single crochets starting in the next half double crochet, the next stitch. So there's 1, 2, 3, and then in the next stitch is where we'll work our next picket. So we will do a single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then we're going to slip stitch into that first chain that we just made. So I would slip stitch into the back, insert, yarn over, pull it up, and then pull it through the loop on your hook. Then we're going to work 3 more single crochets. 1, 2, 3, and then the next one we're going to do a picket. So here's the last one I'm going to show you. Single crochet, then go 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, then slip stitch into that first chain you made, insert and pull it through, and then work 3 more. Now we are up to the center half double crochet of our 3 half double crochets in the same stitch for the corner. So we're going to work 3 single crochets there and then continue our border pattern the way it lays out nicely. And then just continue that pattern all the way around. You've already, when you get back to the beginning, you've already worked your 3 single crochets there. So just slip stitch into that first single crochet, and that will be your Addie's blanket with the Tunisian honeycomb stitch, a row of half double crochets, and then a row of picket stitches.